بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
इसी जगह इसी दिन तो हुआ था ये ऐलान, इसी जगह इसी दिन तो हुआ था ये ऐलान, अंधेरे हार गए जिंदाबाद हिंदुस्तान. Moving forward, let's remember the history on this day, our constitution, our leaders and their contribution. I call upon my brother Khalid Ahmed for a small speech on Republic Day.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself, Khalid Sheikh from Standard 7. I am here to wish you all a very good morning. A very good morning and happy 71st Republic Day to our honorable chief guest, our principal, my beloved teacher, my supportive senior and my lovely classmates. The Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. It is India's one of the most important national events. On 26th January 1950, Constitution of India came into force, and on this day, India became a truly sovereign, democratic and republic country. India started our freedom of spirit, rule of law and fundamental principle of governance according to Constitution made by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and other members of the committee. Although India gained independence on 15th August 1947, its constitution came into effect on 26 January 1950. The drafting committee was appointed on 29th August 1947 and had 7 members in it. Muhammad Sadullah was one of the 7 members of the constitution. The prominent members of the constitution were Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Rafi Ahmed Gidwai, Saif Ali, Maulana Hifzur Rahman CORB. Indian constitution is very important in several dimensions, as it is the noble and universal book for the people of India. It lays down the basic structure of government under which the people are to be governed. Constitution is the backbone of democracy in India. It establishes the main organ of the government, that is the executive, the legislature, the judiciary and the media. It is an umbrella of rights that assures the citizen a free and fair society. Constitution is very important because it places the government's power in the hands of citizens. It limits the power of government and forms a system of checks and balances. The fundamental rights and duties of the people of the Republic in India has been laid down in the Constitution. Every citizen of India is equal in the eyes of law and no one has to suffer because of religion, creed, caste, color or race. May those principles always illuminate our path. After all, we the people of India gave ourselves this constitution and we the people of India are custodian and upholder of its principle. With those words, I once again wish you all a very happy 71st Republic Day. Assalamu alaikum.